Honor 500 series launching tomorrow in China. And this is Honor 500 Pro unboxing video and hands-on first look. Feature a flat display with slim bezels and a centered hole punch camera. The rear design adopts a horizontal camera island that resembles the iPhone Air layout. The device will be offered in Moonlight Silver, Obsidian Black, Starlight Powder, and Aquamarine. The Honor 500 Pro is said to feature a 6.55-inch display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It will also feature a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. Run on Magic OS 10 layered over Android 16. The Honor 500 Pro is said to sport a 200MP main camera using Samsung's HP3 sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide with a 117-degree field of view, and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom using Sony's IMX858 sensor. The device will pack an 8000 mAh silicon battery, support 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.